There's now a new, better way to conduct flow path integrity testing. Exiflo from Proactive Analytics is revolutionizing the food and beverage industry and current methods of integrity testing, enabling greater compliance, enhanced product quality and bottom-line performance, while reducing downtime and improving lifetime costs for process operations. This innovative technology, once integrated with your process equipment, tests the integrity of any closed-loop element, such as vessels or heat exchangers, providing confidence in the reliability of your asset, supporting traceability and regulatory compliance. Here's how Exiflo works. Testing can be performed on demand, for example, before or after each production cycle, in situ and under operational conditions, providing immediate results, helping you make an informed decision on the integrity of the asset. The heat exchanger is comprised of a series of plates with cross-directional product flow moving past the cooling or heating medium. These plates are subjected to erosion, corrosion and cracking over time, leading to cross-channel and possible environment leaks, resulting in a risk of contamination. When a test is performed, the heat exchanger is isolated from the system. Your process water then flows into Exiflo, and the plates are pressurized to normal operating conditions without the use of any other mediums. Exiflo consists of an innovative, patent-pending, electronically controlled fluid management system, accurately detecting flow rate across the channels and to the environment. And unlike current methods, it doesn't involve any disconnection or invasive inspections. It can also be installed on new lines and retrospectively to existing lines, working seamlessly with different types of plate heat exchangers or tanks. The benefits are clear. Significantly shorter and reliable testing, eliminating unplanned and costly downtime. Maximum confidence in heat exchanger efficiency and integrity, eliminating risks associated with invasive inspections and contamination of utility systems, and safeguarding of your brand reputation, regulatory compliance and product safety. See how Exiflo from Proactive Analytics is the way forward for flow path integrity testing.